So as we start this on the air test, it's the Binatone 5-star. We saw the servicing video, the Delta tune switch got replaced and the on-off volume control got replaced. There was something dry jointish in the PA, which meant it was drawing the full current, doing the full power, but only like half of what was coming out of the aerial sockets. I've dealt with that. I've not heard anybody on this yet, which I'm not surprised because we're not even plugged into the aerial. Right, we'll go over to Mega Chippie channel and see whether he is there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, yeah, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, I'm all ready.
Roger that, no extension speakers.
On this set I select it from the front panel.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger on that. I've got a tone control on this set.
Yep, roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place, which hasn't been defaced yet. I'll be shortly passing the entrance to what will be doggy daycare.
Roger on that. That is completed.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger Dodger, a bit later tonight, yes, but it's, I think it was 144 or something last time.
Yeah, it's been 144.9 and 149.9 there for ages. Same with the one at Rawsby, that's been 147.9 and 149.9 for ages.
There you go, so Lancaster petrol station, folks, is the place to get your fuel.
Right, we're now square-wheeled Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger dodger.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Suppose you got your loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford,
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Binatone 5-star, using the Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981. It's full 4-watt output. I'm using it as standard and replaced the micro.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Sure, we got you going over the level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
We got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greeley's turn.
Roger, got you at the Greeley's turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Binatone 5-star, and it is 4-watt output, so 1.2 amps, standard replacement mic, set to the good receive. We're going to go up to low power, we're going to set to 400 milliwatts. Here we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back to full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. No problem on full power, but as it is at the moment, I had to override the squash and you were not legible on low power. Over.
Yep, no problem at all. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. Yes, that's all I need to say. Roger on that.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 147.9, 149.9
Roger on that. Although I have to one base, you know that. Well, that was absolutely great, so thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price for it? That's end, please, over.
Yep, 147.9, 149.9.
Roger on that. So, although Ancaster wasn't open, we know that it's cheaper at the moment. Well, that worked absolutely great, so thanks very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. So that did it work really, really well. I'll go over to our Midland base station and we'll see what it sounds like. Cybernet 134 to Cybernet 134, because they've both got the same innards.